Hello everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make the gorgeous paper flower which is textured. Yes, I have done stamping and this is completely made using hands without using any tool. And also I will share how to make this gorgeous tag greeting card using the same flowers and the decoration. So I will share the technique of this card from the scratch in this video. So without any further delay, let's start with the procedure. So first I am taking this flower die by Dress My Craft called #1 and using soft floral oriental paper I am just cutting my flower, and to cutting this flower I am using my easy cuts machine. I am taking two papers together to cut this because this is having 120 GSM thickness and you can cut two papers together at one go. Super easy. So we have two flowers ready, and if you don't have dies you can simply cut one 4-petal flower easily using scissors. And here I am using 3 sizes of the die. So I have prepared 3 sets for 3 flowers. This is first set, this is second set, and this is third set. So one big flower and 2 small flowers. Here I am starting with coloring my first big flower. So just taking one rough paper in the bottom and using the Archival ink in pink color and the blending tool, I am just coloring the petal from center towards the outer side. Like this. Similarly I will color all the flowers. So the coloring part is done. Now it's time to do the stamping work. So here I am taking my script stamp by Mudra. It comes like this in small packaging. This is very tiny stamp. You can use any script stamp which you have, and to stamp this I am using black archival ink. Since we are going to dip our flower into water, that's why I am using permanent inks. If you don't have inks you can also use acrylic colors. And instead of stamping you can just write any message or script using permanent gel pen on your flower. So after stamping the flower will look like this, and in the same way I am stamping one medium and one small flower. Similarly complete all the flowers. So stamping is done. Now I am taking one bowl of water and just dipping my flowers into this for 3 to 4 seconds, taking out it immediately and soaking it using tissue paper so that the flower will become little soft and it will be easier for us to shape it. So before starting with creasing work, just dip 4 to 5 flowers at one go and make it semi-dry and then start creasing this. Soaking it with one more tissue paper from top. Then I have already semi-soaked one flower beforehand, and now I am taking one pen and we need to hold the petal like this from both the sides, curve it on the pen, and then start making small creases using your fingers by taking the base of the pen surface. Do it very carefully, otherwise your petal will get tear. And similarly I am just creasing all the petals one by one. Though this paper is very nice and it will not have any cut, but if you are using ordinary paper then you have to be very careful while doing this process. So I have creased all 4 petals till the center part and allow it to dry completely. Don't open it till that time. So I'm just creasing one more flower. I'm simply cutting it little bit towards the center for all 4 petals so that it will be easier for us to shape it. Similarly, I will crease all the flowers. And in the same way, I have just cut one leaf, colored it with leaf green archival ink, soaked in the water. And after semi-drying it, I am just creasing it on the pen again to make the same texture as we did for the flower. So leaves are done. Now my flowers are completely dried, so I'm just opening all the petals slowly using my fingers and tap it exactly in the center using backside of the pen on the embossing pad. If you don't have embossing pad, you can also use any foam pad. So here I am just showing you one flower. So for one flower I am taking 2 largest petal and 2 medium sized petal. And now just add little glue in the center and layer all the flower layers together. Each time I am off centering the petals while adding the next layer. And the flower is ready, very nice and very cuppy, and it's very crisp and dry. So I'm making 2 more small flowers with the same process. Now exactly in the center I am adding little glue and one white color pearl. This is a whole pearl, and in the same way I have prepared 2 small flowers. They are looking very English, very shabby and very beautiful. Now keep it aside. So I'm starting with my card. So here I have prepared this tag which measures 15 by 9 centimeters, and I'm using this beautiful stencil by iCraft and doing some texture work on this. So to do the texturing, I am taking this glitter fabric paint by Little Birdie in purple shade, and using my palette knife I am just applying the glitter on the stencil. It will give you a very nice glittery look in the background. So this is kind of mixed media card using different techniques. Now slowly remove the stencil, and can you see how gorgeous and shiny the background is looking? Allow it to dry completely. Then here I am taking this cute girl stamp by Prima Marketing, and using black archival ink I am stamping it on white cardstock. I am going to add this cute girl on my card. If you don't have stamp, you can just draw a simple girl pattern on white paper and just color it. So for the coloring I am using my Dome's brush pens. You can also use watercolors or pencil colors. And in place of this kind of paintings, you can directly use any cutouts or any stickers if you have such kind of girl stickers or boy stickers according to the occasion. So quickly I am just coloring this girl using watercolors. So the coloring is done, and I have just done fussy cutting work using my scissors, and on back side of this I have added cardboard pieces to give it little dimension. Now here I have this beautiful butterfly cutout. I am just separating both the wings by cutting it from center so that I can adhere it on backside of the girl. Here I have planned to make this girl like an angel. That's why I'm adding the wings. So you can give this card to the cute girl or any teenage girl on her birthday or any special occasion. Then taking back my base, and here I have cut one more gold mirror cardstock which is little larger than my original base, and also this is the card base which is having same size. I have just folded this in center, and then I'm sticking my card base on this. Here I am adding one more piece of cardboard in the center part of the neck to give it more sturdiness, and then I am just roughly arranging everything to check on which side everything will look nice. So first I am going to adhere the paper eyelet exactly in the center, which is made using Eyelit punch by Dress My Craft, and also adding one thread bow exactly in the center to give it little realistic tag look. And now on right side I am adding this beautiful girl, and then I will arrange my flowers and leaves one by one. I am using 2 flowers only here because 2 are more than sufficient on this space. And then I'm just tucking these leaves. Like this. Then here and there I am just randomly adding little glue and pouring white color flower pearls for little more shabby look. Like this. It's looking super cute. Can you see this? And now I'm adding one butterfly by tucking it behind the flower in one corner, and then adding sentiment cuteness overloaded in left corner, and also one more sentiment called ooh la la, this beauty kills. All these sentiments are from Dress My Craft Transfer Me sheets. So the super cute tag card is ready, and this way I have utilized my handmade scripted flowers on this card. So in this way you can make your own different kind of flowers and use in different projects. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and please click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.